Recalling past guests. Using past simple to describe previous stays. When talking about previous guests who stayed at a hotel or an Airbnb,
we often use the past simple tense to describe their experiences. The past simple is used to talk about actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. For example, let's imagine a guest named John who stayed at a hotel last summer. We would use the past simple to talk about his stay. John checked into the hotel on a sunny day in July. He unpacked his bags and settled into his room for the week. The hotel staff greeted him warmly and offered to help with any requests. John enjoyed the complimentary breakfast every morning. He explored the city and visited some famous landmarks during his stay. John left a positive review on the hotel website after he checked out. In the above examples, we used the past simple to describe specific actions that happened during John's stay. Let's look at more examples to better understand how to use the past simple when recalling past guests. Sarah stayed at an Airbnb in London last year. She met the host on the first day and instantly felt welcomed. The apartment was cozy and had a beautiful view of the city. Sarah cooked dinner in the kitchen every evening and chatted with other guests staying in the same building. She returned to the Airbnb after a long day of sightseeing and relaxed on the comfortable couch. Sarah posted pictures of her stay on social media and received many likes from her friends. In the examples above, we use the past simple to recount Sarah's experiences during her stay at the Airbnb in London. By using the past simple tense, we can clearly communicate what happened in the past and provide a vivid picture of the guest's experience. In conclusion, when recalling past guests and describing previous stays, it is important to use the past simple tense to convey the timeline of events and actions that took place. By using the past simple, we can effectively communicate the guest's experience and create a clear picture for others to understand.